Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video we're going to be going over Webtalk. Alright, to me Webtalk is a combination of LinkedIn and Facebook put together, but the only difference is Webtalk is going to pay you now for the ad revenue and a couple more other streams of income that you could earn on Webtalk as well too. You could earn by simply posting online. Okay, and you could also earn by people commenting and sharing, and also viewing little ads on WebTalk as well too. Okay, so this is what I've earned so far this month, 1064 and going up, and my lifetime earnings here. Okay, and then you get paid on your views as well too. So I'm gonna go into my back office and then show you a couple of other things as well too. Let me see here. All right, so I just had another sign up here, not about 28 minutes ago. All right, so this is from last month, and it's a dramatic increase. It's only going to increase more and more over the months, over the next couple months when they add different revenue sources. Like they are coming out with native WebTalk native video as well too. It's kind of be gonna be similar to YouTube, okay? Where they pay you for each time someone views your videos as well too. In other words, you don't even have to make YouTube videos anymore, which I do still recommend combining the two. And it's just gonna add on, okay? So let me go here, one moment here. Let me just click on that real quick. And then, so here is the daily login bonus of 10 points. And as I mentioned earlier, you could watch videos every 30 minutes to an hour. And I'm at 20 right now, but each video is worth about 10 points. You get up to as many points as possible. But I would say 250 points equals like 3,000, up to 3,000 points, which would equal about 70 cents to $1, okay? So you do the math on that. If your downline all does the same thing, you could have up to $100 per day, okay? So some other things coming soon is WebTalk Marketplace. You could earn commissions on that. WebTalk Travel, you could earn commissions on that as well too. Alright, so I'm just going to go back to my news feed. So like I said, it's kind of like Facebook, okay? And then I'm going to have more videos on how to set up your WebTalk profile as well. Alright, so I'm just going to go into that here briefly. Alright, so this is my WebTalk profile. So I have over 1,000 followers. I'm following 2,000 people. Okay. And you could put in as much websites as you want. You can set up your LinkedIn profile, Instagram. I have my YouTube channel up here. I have my About Me section. Okay, so also what they're coming out with as well too, similar to Instagram and Facebook. Well, not Facebook so much, but Instagram and TikTok. They have a Discover page. And they have a people motivational, and as you can see, I am ranking in the motivational, that for the hashtag motivational. I'm also ranking in the For You, so let me type that in real quick. For You, so I'm ranking in that. Alright, so the algorithm is starting to fill out a little bit, but you can still get a lot of reach. I do recommend joining as quick as you can before it's going to be a point in time that you're not going to be able to get as much reach as you could get now with it. and get a lot of views and points in return a lot of cash. Okay, so if you want to join my Webtalk link, go ahead and click on the link in the description at the bottom. Okay, and once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Have a good one.